Okay, this is a tutorial to show students how to get into Quaver in case they've never accessed it before. So they'll need to go to the Calvert County website and hit Clever, and then they will log in here using their lunch number and their birthday. So now that I am in, I'm going to click Quaver here. And it may ask a series of questions like, have you ever logged into Quaver before? You need to hit no either way, and then you need to allow Flash. Now that we're in, here at the bottom, it says there's a student tab. So you're going to click the student tab, and then you can click assignments. Now, this is one that I have assigned to my student, so her assignment is already here. When you click it, it'll give you the opportunity to launch, and then you can go ahead and complete the assignment, and it will send it directly to your teacher.